welcome to Art with Ashley B. That's me. Today we are going to draw one of my favorite animals of all time, a cow. Here is a quick preview of what the finished drawing will look like when we're done. All right, illustrators, let's get started. Okay, illustrators, to begin our cow illustration, we'll start with a really big circle. We'll follow that up with the top of our cow's head. We'll do one line over here, one line over here, and then we'll connect those. We'll add on 2 ears, 1, 2, add 2 little horns at the top, two eyes that are basically like upside down letter U shapes. We'll put the pupils in there. Two little eyebrows. Some details on the front here. 2 little ovals for the nostrils. And a little smile. So for the cow's body, we're going to find this spot right here where that right line meets the circle that we started with. We'll draw a straight line out for the top of the cow's back. And then we'll bring it down. Add 1 foot there. Bring it across. We'll add 2 more feet. And we'll add a 4th foot peeking from behind back here. One of my favorite things about cows is adding spots onto them. So wherever you feel like you would like to add some spots to your cow, feel free to block those areas off anywhere. Couple details left. Do a little tail. And add a little detail here inside of the ears. All right, illustrators, there we have our cow illustration. The next step that we have to do is add some color to these guys. So feel free to grab some colored pencils, crayons, or markers, anything that you would like to color with. This is what I chose to do. Last step that we have to do is sign them, because every artist should always sign their work. All right, illustrators, there we have our completed cow illustrations. I'm so proud of you. If you all enjoyed yourself today, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for so many more illustrations coming your way. I'll see you next time.